Hi, friends! It's me, Tia. Have you ever wondered, why do we need to eat? Is it just because our tummy rumbles? Or is there a secret mission hiding in every bite? Well, guess what? Food is so much more than just something yummy. It's actually the fuel, the builder, and the protector of your whole body. Let's find out. When you eat something like a sandwich, your digestive system gets to work like a tiny science lab inside you. It starts in your mouth, where chewing breaks food into smaller pieces. Then your stomach mashes it up even more, and your intestines help absorb all the good stuff, called nutrients. These nutrients include carbohydrates for energy, proteins to build muscles, fats to protect organs, and vitamins and minerals to help everything work just right. Then your metabolism, which is like your body's energy engine, takes over and turns those nutrients into power to move, grow, think, and even sleep. Fun fact: your brain uses more energy than any other part of your body. Just thinking burns fuel. So the next time you're solving a puzzle or imagining a story, thank your lunch for helping out. So, what's the real reason we eat? It's to keep our body running, our brain buzzing, and our hearts beating every second, every day. Isn't that amazing? Science is everywhere, and all you have to do is ask why. Keep exploring, keep asking, and never stop wondering. Now tell me, what do you think your food does first when it enters your body? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun science facts. Bye! See you next time!